Hi guys, the useful science tool that I found was sciencenetlinks.com, and it's by the American Association for Advancement of Science. And so let's get right into it. We can choose by grade up here. You can choose multiple grades if you want, and you can choose by subject or choose multiple subjects. Let's do biology and do grade 11 and search. So this is under lessons, so this is going to bring up a lot of different lessons you can choose to do. Obviously it's for the grade that we chose, so let's just do genes, environments, and behavior 1. It's going to give you purpose, the context, the motivation, development, the assessment, and also the extensions. And so it's vast amount of information and a vast amount of lessons that really can be refined to what you're doing. Sorry if it seems like I'm speaking fast. There's a lot of information trying to get it done quickly. So let's move on to tools. Tools is basically same thing. You can go by grade and subject. Let's do astronomy, which I thought was pretty neat. Which is the some things are something. The tools are simple as a PDF file. Like this is a PDF. That's what would load. Others are more interactive. Like where's the magnitude? Dang it. But some are like stories and some are the powers of 10. Here we go. So powers of 10 is a pretty neat tool. You load it up. It's going to boot up right here, and it shows basically by orders of magnitude from the outside of the galaxy all the way down to a molecular level. It just keeps on zooming in and gives a great idea of the grandness and the scope of the universe and how small we really are. And then there is let's back out of this. And other ones they're actually there could be something like this one. This is like a mystery of like how the food poisoning and how to solve it and the transfer of cross contamination. So like this one is just like a kind of animated story that keeps the student engaged. So that was pretty neat. And then let's move on to collections. Collections is basically both lessons and tools put together. And so again, you can organize it by grade and subjects. Let's do inventing green, and we can go down here and organize it by the grade, and it'll give you the lessons, which is right below the heading. So the 9 through 12. But again, if you want to organize it, you can choose multiple grades again. So this is 6 through 8 now. When you do down here, it's K through 12. So that's just the entirety of both lessons and tools. After School is pretty neat. It actually has a bunch of little experiments. When you click on it, it's going to show you what to do. Okay, I got 20 seconds left. It shows you what to do, the background, the materials you're going to need, what the students are expected to learn, and a whole bunch of different after-school lessons. And the last thing we're going to do, because I'm running out of time, is the news, which is just updated news articles about science current events and articles that are coming out. And I am out of time.